Alright guys, so it's been a little time since I've done a video. This is not a reloaders video. This is what it is that I've been getting into. I'm trying to do a little side work and create some signs, and my daughter, she's leaving to go to Montana to work at Yellowstone National Park, so I wanted to make her a little going away gift, and this is what I did. So I used some LED lights to inlay on the inside of it. The carving, I did it on MDF, and I don't know how many of y'all know that MDF is definitely not forgiving. So this is a little taste of what it can do with the LED light system. It'll change a bunch of different colors. It's got all kind of colors. You can even put it on like flash, and it'll flash through all the colors. And if you put it white and then you hit flash, you know, it changes through a bunch of things. And it's got a fade mode. It's called a smooth. So this little thing does a bunch of cool stuff. You can put it on strobe, and there's actually different speeds that you can strobe with it. So I'm not going to be posting this on the Reloaders Network, of course, because that's not what it's for. But if you guys are interested in the idea of me making you something, just let me know. Like I said, I do want to try and make it a little side business. Loads of Bacon sent me the logo for the Reloaders Network, and I plan to do a carving with that as well, which, you know, I'm not going to sell that. That's something I want to hang in my reloading room. But here it is, guys. Let me know what you think. Like I said, I know there's some imperfections in it, but there's nothing wrong with critiques. So y'all have a good one.